On my hair. I've worked in like 20 minutes. Oats with protein and then some turkey bacon. Currently on my way to work at the cafe. All right, made it to work. Let's get this 7-hour shift done. On my lunch break right now, just iced Americano. So good. We're back to work. Just finished up at the cafe. Gonna go home, eat, and then go to the gym. I forgot to record myself eating blueberries, but there are signs. Alright, just made it to the gym. Gonna hit a back, one shoulder movement, and triceps day. I'm gonna start with triceps. Just finished the gym, now going home, make some dinner. Got a protein bar. Alright, gotta wake up early tomorrow to go to Chicago to take care of some visa stuff. So this is the end of my vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.